Don't panic when you encounter a blue screen error. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem step by step. Let's begin.
Now we need to click on advanced options, then click on troubleshoot. Now click on advanced options, and at the last we need to click on command prompt. Type chkdsk/f/r/c: and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Now type C: and hit enter. Now type cd space C:/ and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter. Then type cd space SYSTEM32 and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space config and simply press enter to execute this command. Now type md backup and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space backup1, then hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup1 and hit enter. Now type cd regback and hit enter. Execute this command. Type dir, then simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in copy space *** space ... and then hit enter. After that type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Type in bootrec space /fixmdr and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type in bootrec /fixboot and hit enter. Now type in cd space C:/ and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's execute this command. Type cd space Windows /system32/config/regback. Then simply we need to hit enter to execute this command. Now type this command bcd edit space /exports space C:/ bcd backup, then hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Now type this md space boot and hit enter. Now type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space C:/ and simply hit enter. Type attrib C:/boot/bcd-h-r-s and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type ren space C:/boot/bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. And once done, let's move to the next command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.